There are many issues changing society over the next 10 years. Some of them are going to have a profound impact on how we think of ourselves in business, industry, and in our personal lives. For me, one of the first ones is a societal change. It's Generation Y. It's the impact that 15 to 34-year-olds are going to have on society as a whole. Now, to put it in context, the 15 to 34-year-olds, they're going to be approximately 2.4 billion of them out of a population of 8 billion people on planet Earth by the time we get to 2025. Of that number, 60% will come from Asia, and of that 60%, 35% from India and China. Now, they're creating really four different propensities. The ones that I'd like to touch on right now would be personalization and individualization, which is the notion that everything that is produced, no matter what it is, from a technical object, a device that somebody may buy, to a piece of clothing, will need to be highly personalized for each of those users. We will not live in a commoditized society. So the necessity for people of this age group to have a propensity of personalization is going to be extraordinary. And the second thing is, with that personalization comes a need for connectivity, that it will be connected 24/7 and that connectivity will be ubiquitous. So they do not expect to have any accessibility issues with the internet, and of course with accessibility comes a desire for speed, and that hopefully will be solved as we move into the era of 5G. So chief amongst this really is, do we have the spectrum availability? And we're starting to push the boundaries of physics to see whether that is actually possible, but we have no concerns that eventually that will take place. So assuming that we do have this full availability, this full connectivity that the world will see with issues like Project Loom from Google, they're placing hundreds of thousands of balloons, 70,000 feet up into the atmosphere to provide free broadband access. And of course you've got other initiatives from Tesla's Elon Musk to put thousands of satellites orbiting Earth to provide free broadband services. So we know that the competitive positioning around ubiquitous connectivity is going to create a solution for humanity. Everybody will be connected. The next issue becomes, what will that enable? What are going to be the applications for that connectivity?